welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm a curly head. I saw a girl called Jamie Jo doing a finger coiling technique with her curly hair, and her hair is amazing. Like, it looks gorgeous, and I was like, I need to try it out and just see what it's gonna look like on me. And no jokes, I'm super happy with the results. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna finger coil her hair. The only thing I would say is that I don't have as much volume as I normally have when I curl my hair, but the curls are gorgeous. There's no frizz at all. It just looks good. So there are different types of hair. There's number 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you didn't know about it, now you do. If you Google it, you would see actually what they are. So number 1 would be straight, number 2 would be wavy, number 3 curly, number 4 extremely curly. So let's say your type of hair is in number 2, then you'll have number 2A, 2B, 2C. So I'm number 3, and I used to be in high school a number 3B or 3C, but now I'm more of a 3A. So it's like those curls that you see, they used to be like smaller and very, very curly. They look like that now after so much damage, but at least they're curling again, because at some point I damaged them so much that they weren't curling anymore. So it's the first time that I'm finger coiling my hair. Let me say that. Anyways, the way that you have to wrap it around your finger, maybe that's what pulled them down a bit more. I'm still super happy with the look. It's so different than usual. I'll for sure do another video about how I normally curl my hair, and you'll see that there's a huge difference volume-wise. Maybe you've done some finger coiling before. For me, it's really like the first time. So if you're interested to know how I got my curls this way, please keep watching. Like, they do look good, you know? All right, so I'm gonna jump right into it. So I took my shower this morning, I put my hair in a bun, I did my makeup, and now I'm gonna start. My hair is still wet, but it's starting to dry. So this is why it's important to have a spray bottle. So you just fill it with water. You know, it could be different ones. This one is pretty cool because it's like a mist. Okay, very cool. Like, I had to do that, really. The whole time that you'll be doing your hair, you'll need your hair to be wet. A simple spray bottle that you can get at the dollar store works as well. We're gonna start. Not gonna look pretty, but you know, it is what it is for now. This is my hair with no product on it. So now I'm gonna tell you everything I have near me to achieve like that goal of mine of having like those beautiful curls. So like I mentioned, a spray bottle. So you need a type of mousse that's gonna just give a bit of volume to your hair that you're gonna put really at the roots. And the one I found is a really funny name, but it's one of the best ones. Honestly, I can't even find it anymore, but it's called DPD. This one over here. So this one really gives like super nice curls and it gives volume. So I'm just gonna add that first. If you have a favorite one, just use it. And then I'm gonna use those products, which are from Garnier Fructis, like those ones over here. So this one is the smoothie one. I don't know if you've heard of these before. And this one is the jelly. So this is a cream and this is a gel. So I just want to mention something really fast. My scalp is very sensitive, so it's really important for me to make sure that I'm not using bad products. And these ones are really good because they're like sulfate free, paraben free. They have so many good things about them. So this is why I got them. But also a big shout out to Cynthia. So I work with her and she used them during the lockdown, and I was like, I'm gonna go and give them a try, and I really, really like them. And then you need a hairbrush and then just a hair dryer with a diffuser. So I'm gonna start by spraying water everywhere on my hair. Now that I sprayed my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mousse, and I'm really gonna focus on the roots. So before doing this technique, all I would do is really add mousse everywhere, maybe a bit of gel, and that's it. I would never brush my hair. But now, since we're going with a different technique, we really want defined curls and we're trying this, I'm gonna have to brush them. So I'm gonna brush them. One other reason why I like those products is that they have them for all types of hair. Mine is really thin. For the smoothie one, they have them from fine to normal hair, so my hair is fine. And the gel, so the jelly one, is really for all hair types. What I'm gonna do now is separate my hair in sections. I'm gonna start like this. So now I'm gonna start with a small amount of the cream, like really just a bit because it's a little bit of hair. And I'll go over. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the gel. I grab just a bit too, and I just put that everywhere on my hair. And now we're gonna start the finger coiling process. So you need to take like a small amount of hair. So it's gonna be long, but I'm sure it's gonna be worth it. So let's say that amount of hair. So now what we're gonna do is twist them from top to bottom. you can see, something like that. Now what we have to do is to twist it around our finger like this and go to the top. Then just wait a bit. And that's it. We're gonna leave them this way. So we're gonna have to do that for all our hair. Put it on the back and then just continue. So it needs patience for sure, and that I have. The only thing is that I'm afraid to be late for work, but I don't think so. I woke up at like 5 a.m. to film, guys. I mean, that's dedication. Guys, I'm already at the second section of my hair. Now it's just the middle, and then we'll do the top hair. I took more hair here. It's okay, but I might have to separate them after. It's something that we don't really want to do because we don't want them to be frizzy. And if you feel like your hair is really getting dry, don't hesitate to add some more water. So when I started doing my second section, I realized I forgot to put some of the cream and the gel. So when you're doing every section, don't forget to apply those, because normally I just apply all my products and then I'm done, but I don't think they'll be as nice as my other curls though. They need a bit of water, so don't hesitate. Alright, so it's the last part. Gonna wet it a bit because it's dry. Let's not forget. Wait, I don't want to put too much, but I look crazy like this, but hopefully I won't look crazy after. Last one, guys, last one. Let's give it a push. Wow, I'm on time. What I'm gonna do now is take some more of that cream and gel and then just squish my hair up. I'm applying some gel, doing the same thing. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take my hair dryer, I'm gonna put it on cool mode, and then I'm not gonna blast it, I'll just put it low, and then go over my hair, and you're gonna see, like, I'm not gonna rub my scalp with it, I'll just really go gently. Now I'm just gonna put it on warm. I won't put it full blast, I'll put it on low and go everywhere around my head. And I'm not gonna squish my hair with it, I'm just gonna be gentle and go everywhere without traumatizing my hair. Now is just give it a shot of cold air. Okay, so right away what I can say is that I don't have as much volume as I would normally have, but I feel like the curls are actually really nice. So this is what I was talking about before. If you take bigger sections, what you're gonna have to do is just to separate them, but like super gently. So really every big chunk that you find, just separate them gently, just like that. It's very nice. By separating those, we're already gonna have a bit more volume, so. And now, to give myself a bit more volume, I'm just gonna go in the roots and shake them off. Honestly, normally my hair, when I curl it, it's is like an afro. It's really big. But I honestly can't wait for them to be like long enough to just be like nice and curly. My hair in high school used to be so curly and long, and you know, like the telephone cord, like the old ones that were like the cord, you know which one I'm talking about? Anyways, it was exactly that. But with years, I burnt them, I put color in them. This is why it's not the same curls, but they're starting to curl again because at some point they stopped curling completely. So at least there's hope. I'm gonna give it another shot with a hair dryer. So I'm just gonna put my hair down and go more on the roots. I just really want to create that volume effect. Crazy how I've been doing this for like what, a good 45 minutes, and they're short and thin and they're still wet. All right guys, so this is the end result. So I really like it. The only thing is that usually I have more volume. Maybe I can go ahead and play with it again. You know, they're still wet though. So I feel like they're gonna dry and they're gonna gain some volume a bit more. Don't play too much with your curls because you're gonna ruin them. But no jokes, like that technique for the curls, it's like so nice. There's no frizz whatsoever. So I am so going to do this again when I'll have time because it does take time. It's so crazy, right? Pam with curly hair and Pam with straight hair is two different people. All right guys, so that's it for today. I don't know if you knew about the finger coiling technique, but if you learned it, well, I'm super happy. If you knew about it, or if you have any other suggestions of having like perfect curls, please write them below. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that it helped some of you. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please guys do it, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Yes, it's coming. I'll see you in my next video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Honestly, the curls are perfect.